Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix the Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x000000006. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the registry, and click on Registry Editor into the search bar. Do you want to allow this app? Click Yes. Click on HKEY Local Machine. Then click on Software. Scroll down. Then click Microsoft. Again, scroll down. Then click on Windows NT and click Current Version. Then click Print. Then click on Providers. Then delete the client-side rendering print providers key. Close the window. Press the Windows key search for Device Manager and click the top result to open the console. Then click Print Cues from the menu list. Then select your printer model from Printer List. Right-click and go to Update Automatically. Close the window. Press the Windows key search for Services and click the top result to open the console. Scroll down. Locate Print Spooler in the list of services. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Restart from the context menu. Wait for the Printer Spooler service to restart. Now restart your host or main the computer. Back to the client PC. Click on Control Panel into the desktop icon. Click Devices and Printers. Click Add a Printer. Click The printer that I want isn't listed. Select Share a printer by name. Next, enter the network path to the printer. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow, and notify the bell icon click.